What if I told you the product you're looking at right now was made by just one person at home, using simple tools? No factory, no team, just a smart setup in a small space. This is resin art, and it's only one example. In today's video, I'm breaking down 9 real home-based manufacturing ideas, all with setups that stay under $1,000. Stick around, and if you enjoy content like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Business Mind for more real business ideas. Let's dive in. 1. Screen glass repairing machine. Think about that moment when a phone slips out of someone's hand. Everything goes quiet. They pick it up slowly, hoping the screen somehow survived. Most cracked phones share the same story. The glass breaks, but the display underneath is still fine. And that detail is exactly why a screen glass repair machine makes so much sense. This machine isn't complicated or flashy. It gently heats the adhesive under the damaged glass so you can lift it off cleanly, almost like peeling a sticker. Then a new sheet of glass is pressed on, leaving a smooth factory-style finish that makes the phone look brand new again. A solid machine usually costs between $400 and $700. The supplies stay simple: replacement glass, OCA film, wipes, and a small UV light that fits in a drawer. The workflow feels calm and repeatable. Heat, lift, clean, press, cure. No loud noise, no fumes, no stress. And cracked screens never stop happening. Students, workers, parents, everyone drops a phone eventually. All you need is a small corner and steady hands. 2. Small batch scented candles. Scented candles don't need much explanation. People already buy them for their homes, as gifts, and for moments when they want a space to feel calmer or more personal. That's what makes this idea work. You're not creating a new habit. You're fitting into one that already exists. From a business point of view, candles sit between product and emotion. Buyers don't compare them like groceries. They react to scent names, jar design, and how the brand makes them feel. That gives small sellers room to compete without trying to undercut big brands. Getting started is relatively controlled. When you add up basic equipment, wax, fragrances, jars, wicks, and labels, most setups land between $400 and $500. That keeps risk low and makes it easier to test what works. Candles also encourage repeat purchases. They get used up. When someone enjoys a scent, they usually come back for the same one or try another from the same maker. Most sales happen through Etsy, Instagram, and local markets. It's not a fast trend. It's a steady product that rewards patience and branding. Number 3. Ultrasonic cleaner. This machine looks technical at first glance, but the moment you press start, it feels almost effortless. It uses thousands of tiny vibrations, too small to see, but strong enough to lift dirt from jewelry, watches, glasses, metal tools, and even tiny machine parts. Grime stuck in corners you could never reach by hand just disappears. You pour in water, add a mild detergent, place the items in the basket, and hit start. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, no mess. Supplies are simple: water, gentle detergent, microfiber cloths, and a few small baskets. Most mid-size ultrasonic cleaners cost between $120 and $200, depending on tank size and build, making it one of the easiest machines to set up at home. Customers are everywhere: jewelry owners, salons, watch collectors, mechanics, optical shops, tattoo studios, even electronics technicians. Anyone with items that collect dust, oil, sweat, or ink. The workflow is calm and simple. Load, set the timer, rinse, dry. The real magic comes in the transformation, the satisfying before and after that keeps people coming back. Number 4. Button badge and pin making. This idea works because buttons and pins are tied to identity. People buy them to support causes, promote brands, represent schools, or show off personality. They are small, affordable, and emotionally driven, which is why they sell so consistently. From a business point of view, This is a simple machine setup with fast turnaround. A manual or semi-automatic badge press lets you produce custom pins on demand for events, clubs, campaigns, creators, and local businesses. You are not really selling metal and paper. You are selling expression and visibility. Startup costs stay controlled when you combine a solid badge-making machine, starter dies, blank button parts, printed inserts, and simple packaging. Most setups land between $450 and $550 depending on size and machine type. The real strength here is flexibility. The same machine can serve completely different customers without changing your workflow. One day it is event badges, the next it is school pins or promotional giveaways. Sales usually come from local events, schools, small businesses, online orders, and social media. It is a compact, machine-led idea that fits small spaces and grows through steady demand rather than mass volume. Number 5. Shoe cleaning machine. Shoes go through more punishment than almost anything else we wear. Dirt, sweat, rain, street grime, and things people would rather not think about build up fast. Most people try cleaning them at home and end up scrubbing too hard, damaging materials or dulling the color. That is why a shoe cleaning machine feels impressive the first time someone sees it in action. It uses gentle rotating brushes and controlled water flow to pull dirt out from deep seams without stressing the fabric. No aggressive scrubbing, no guessing, just a consistent and careful clean. After the wash cycle, a built-in warm air system dries the shoes evenly, so they come out fresh, dry, and ready to wear again. The setup stays simple. A mild detergent, interchangeable brush heads, and a few microfiber cloths are all you need. Most compact shoe cleaning machines fall between $300 and $700, depending on brush design and drying strength. Customers come from everywhere: sneaker collectors, gym members, parents, workers, commuters, anyone with a favorite pair they do not want to replace. The workflow stays calm and easy. Load the shoes, choose a mode, press start. The before and after result does the selling on its own, and people genuinely enjoy seeing their shoes brought back to life. Number 6. Headlight restoration machine. Foggy headlights can make a well-kept car look worn out and much older than it really is. Most drivers assume the fix is expensive or complicated, when in reality it is surprisingly simple with the right machine. A headlight restoration machine works by releasing a heated vapor that gently reflows the outer layer of plastic, restoring clarity in minutes. The process starts with light sanding to remove surface oxidation. After a quick wipe down, the vapor is passed across the lens. As the plastic warms, the haze fades away and the headlight turns clear again almost instantly. It feels like watching the lens reset itself. The supplies stay minimal. Sanding pads, cleaning wipes, a small polishing compound, and the vapor solution are all that is needed. Most compact restoration machines cost between $80 and $200, depending on heating speed and build quality, making this one of the most affordable automotive service tools. The customer base is massive: everyday drivers, used car sellers, rideshare owners, and anyone dealing with poor night visibility. The workflow stays simple and calm. Sand, clean, vapor, finish. No removing headlights, no bulky tools, no mess. The instant before and after result is what convinces people immediately and keeps this service in constant demand. Number 7. Cap heat press. Caps are one of those products that never really disappear. Schools rely on them, gyms wear them daily, delivery teams use them as uniforms, and small brands turn them into merch. That steady demand is exactly what makes this machine work so well from home. A cap heat press lets you customize headwear from a simple desk setup without needing a full workshop. The curved heating plate is what makes the difference. It matches the shape of the cap so designs stay smooth instead of stretching or creasing. You place the cap, line up the artwork, lock the press, and let the heat do the work. In seconds, the design bonds cleanly into the fabric and looks factory finished. Supplies stay simple and affordable. Blank caps in a few colors, heat transfer sheets, a basic printer for designs, and optional vinyl for bold logos. Most reliable cap presses fall between $150 and $300, depending on temperature control and build quality, which keeps the barrier to entry low. Customers come from everywhere: school teams, gyms, sports clubs, birthdays, local businesses, and new clothing brands testing ideas. The workflow stays fast and repeatable. Design, print, align, press, cool. You can create samples on demand and build a business around a product people already recognize, trust, and buy without hesitation.